This is how to use the handwriting recognition on the reMarkable. Everything that I'm going to show you how to do in this tutorial applies to the reMarkable 1 and the reMarkable 2 because the software is exactly the same. Let's try the handwriting recognition on reMarkable then. Go for any template at all. And try the lazy dog. Is that even right? The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Let's go for the lazy dog then, the quick brown fox. Now that's just with my massively scribbly handwriting. Let's try and do that as neat as possible. And I reckon it'll work. I do think that will work quite well. Simple as that. Export. Did pretty well for both of them, to be honest, didn't it? Even the scruffy handwriting. It's one mistake out of everything. And then you can quickly change that if you want. And then you can just send that to yourself via email if you wish. Okay, it was actually 2 mistakes. I did sort of speed test this though, and I find that probably I can type on a keyboard quicker than I can write by hand. But it's quite nice to know that something that you wrote on here, you could quickly, with actual pretty good accuracy, get that off as text that you can then edit and use in digital documents later. Here I am just trying out the other tools that you can write with on the reMarkable. Didn't get OCR, but it did manage with all 3 of the tools pretty well apart from that. I'm guessing it's doing quite a good job of not just recognizing the characters, but guessing what the words are that it's going to use. So this is a really pro feature that one of my colleagues absolutely swears by. Especially she loves the fact that you can handwrite notes in a meeting and you can email them to yourself all typed up, ready to go after that meeting. Time saver and makes you more engaged in the meeting. I hope that was useful. If you've got any more questions about using your reMarkable, or if you're just interested in using it as a professional, then hit me up in the comment section below.